Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? It's a really great news and very important update for all Stellar XLM holders. So must watch this video to about this update. Otherwise, you will completely lost in those days, my brother. The condition is very critical now because in last 24 hours, all crypto market is very badly fails down, and therefore all a lot of currencies, my friend, you can see here this time lost now. Just you can see just like Stellar XLM, you can see here minus 2.8% lost now. But again, my friend, in last 1 hour, as you can see, my friend, 0.96% their profit, and last 7 days you can see here plus 17.26% profit. Oh my goodness, very huge jump, my brother. And definitely after a short fails, every coin, my friends, will take a very huge jump now and completely go in the moon now. So that's a really good news, my brother. The market rank, as you can see, my brother, 90 in the market cap, you can see, my friend, 6 billion. The 24-hour volume is 532 billion, and circulating supply 23 billion, and max supply 50 billion, and distribution 46.75%. My brother, we need to predicate this coin, so kindly the prediction is going to be very simple and very simple, my brother. First of all, as you can see, my brother, this time, especially in the start of these 3 days, my friend, this is last 3 days chart, and the last 3 days, my friend, you can see the first day they were very badly falls down, but my brother, as you can see, my brother, especially after this very bad fails, they will take also very huge jump now and go in the moon now. So this is very good news, my friends. To after this fails, they will take a very huge jump and they will completely again fails down, and I am 100% sure to after this fails, they will also take a very huge jump now. So if you know to they will take a very huge jump enough after this point, so why you are, my friends, starting selling? Please hold it and don't sell it. Please hold, wait for a good time. I hope the price will be increasing. See you next time, holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.